Today I'm going to be reviewing the PodMic, the Rode PodMic. This is it right here. What's nice, it's dynamic. So if you got to have it close to you, but it focuses on the voice instead of my AC or my PC fan or anything like that. But as you move away, you'll hear that you can't hear it as well. You got to be close to it. But that's actually really good for somebody who is speaking to a group on YouTube, a Zoom call or something like this. This might be a little too much for that. Now, this is an XLR. So if you know what that is, it's got this XLR cable, and I have to run that into a soundboard. So I do have the Rodecaster. You can see I got the Rode arm here, the PSA 1 Plus, which is really nice too. I'm going to do a review on that. I came from a USB mic. They do make this with the XLR and USB. So if you're new, it's a little bit more expensive because it has all the components that you need in there to run it. But you can always switch to the XLR half and upgrade to maybe the Rodecaster or something like this. This does very well on Amazon. It's got 4.7 stars. I usually like to see 4.4. It beats that, and it sounds great. It has over 7,000 reviews, and last month, September of 2025, over 1,000 of these were bought. This is a very, very good mic. I know there's this Shure mic out there that everyone knows about, that every professional has. You don't have to go that crazy. You can upgrade later. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to upgrade it later to that. But this is a great mic, and I'll always use it. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.